Welcome back to Central New York's Open House, where we're out front of the New York Sash showroom, and you know us for windows, siding, and baths, and we had an opportunity to remodel the front of the showroom. We put brand new siding on the exterior of our showroom. Now we have so many different options that you can choose from. This particular siding is called Certaplank. It's a reinforced foam back siding that will give you more rigidity. It'll look absolutely beautiful once it's applied to your home. We have different stone applications on the exterior of your home. We also have cedar shake applications that look absolutely beautiful. And the best part is you can see all of these products before they're applicated to your house, but you want to make sure you select the right color. Now we have a new technology that we've just rolled out. We can take photos of your home and create a 3D rendering of your house. We can work on the different colors and the different panels, apply them to a 3D model so you'll see exactly what it'll look like before the job starts. Now, we couldn't do this without training, whether it's training with our new software or it's training with the product. As the new products roll out, the manufacturer offers hands-on training. We've created our own training center right up the street so that our guys can actually work with the product. And right now, we're going to learn more about the application process and the Certaplank panel from one of their experts.
So I'm a product application specialist for Certainty Company, and we go out and train guys how to properly install vinyl siding or any of our claddings for that matter. Proper installation saves money, helps with customer satisfaction. If we have to go back and fix things, it's a black mark on our company. Even though we do go back and make sure we fix things, doing it right the first time is what's most important. So today we have a new product that Certainty has just launched this year. It's called Certaplank. It's a foam back siding. The foam is actually a reinforcement, not an insulation. But by putting a reinforcement foam on the back of the panel, it allows us to create a wider and flatter face. And right now the industry is demanding that. That's why we're seeing a lot of those hardboard sidings like fiber cement and some of the laminate sidings. Compared to normal vinyl siding jobs, there's a few installation techniques that are slightly different, and we're just making sure we go over those. Most of this siding, they're going to understand the installation of it, but we want to focus on the differences between this siding and what they're used to putting up all the time.
For more information about our siding products and how you can get started giving your home a brand new look at the same address, stop down to the showroom. We'd love to work with you on that next project. We can walk you through the entire process and help you every step of the way.